Hi everyone! In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Kanopy. Kanopy is a digital resource that allows you to stream movies and television shows for free with your Turner Free Library card, and you can have up to 10 checkouts a month, which is pretty cool. So in order to get to Kanopy, you can access Kanopy directly by going to kanopy.com, or you can access it through the Turner Free Library website, which is what we're going to do in this video. So I've navigated to turnerfreelibrary.org, and over here I'm going to hover over I want to find and click on digital books, movies, and more. From there I'm going to be taken to a page that has a whole bunch of different digital resources that are free to use with your Turner Free Library card. The one that we're going to be focusing on again is Kanopy. So I'm going to click on the little Kanopy thumbnail. I'm now taken to the Kanopy website specific to the Turner Free Library. I can either log in, I can locate a different library if I have a different library card, or I can add a library card if I've never had a Kanopy account before. Now you'll notice right away that it says step 3 of 4. That's because steps 1 and 2 were locating our library. And we didn't need to do that because we went through the link specific on the Turner Free Library page. I want to add my library card number and my PIN. Now, if you don't know your PIN, let's say you have never used your PIN before, the default PIN is OCLN, so try that. If you have reset your PIN before, you specifically remember doing it, and you don't remember what it is, you can do one of two things. You can contact the library if it's during normal business hours, and we can reset it for you back to the default OCLN. Or you can go to your account on the OCLN catalog, which you can access through our website right up here at the top, and you can click on Forgot My PIN, and the system will email you a link that will allow you to reset it to something different. There is a YouTube video on our YouTube channel that explains how to reset your PIN online more in depth, and I would definitely recommend watching that if you don't remember your PIN number or if OCLN doesn't work. So from here, once I type in my library card number and my PIN, I'm going to hit continue. Now I already have a Kanopy account, so I cannot show you this next step. But when you hit continue, if you've never had a Kanopy account before, the next and last step will be to set up your Kanopy account. And you can link that through either Google, Facebook, or you can just create your own Kanopy account with an email address and password. Again, I already have a Kanopy account, so I'm going to hit login. And again, you'll see right here, I can log in with Google, Facebook, or if I created an email and password set up, I can do that. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to hit login. When you finally launch Kanopy, you're going to see the main page that has a whole bunch of curated resources based on things that Kanopy thinks you might be interested in. Now, just to give you some information up here at the top, you have your search, you have a browse, which will allow you to browse, more specific curated playlist, including instructional films and lessons. So if you're a parent that is trying to do homeschool or a teacher or instructor, you can select instructional films and lessons, and you have a bunch of different resources there. You can see how many credits you have. This little number right here informs you how many credits you still have left on your Kanopy account for the month. Remember, you got up to 10. You can also view different things in your account, like what you have already watched, your watch list if you are creating a watch list. If you are a parent who is sharing a Kanopy account with a child, you can set up parental controls and you can log out. You can also go to Kanopy Kids. Now, Kanopy Kids is a site that is specifically for kids. It has a lot of different curated resources for kids right now, including story times, fun stuff, and movies. Usually Kanopy Kids works the same way as regular Kanopy, but as of this recording, Kanopy has waived all credits. So if your child wants to watch, say, Arthur, season 13, you can let them watch Arthur and it won't affect the number of checkouts that you have. So, for example, I watched Ernest and Celestine earlier and it did not affect the number of credits that I had. And you'll see that is even emphasized by the fact that there is no number next to my name right here while I am in Kanopy Kids. But I'm going to go ahead and exit Kanopy Kids. And it's going to take me back to the main Kanopy page. Now from here, I'm just going to select a movie. And I can see a whole bunch of different related videos. There are people that have commented on this. I can make a comment. I can see more about this. I can add it to a list to watch later. I can also see a transcript of the film. And most importantly, I can watch it if I decide this is what I want to watch. Once you start watching a video, Kanopy will deduct a credit from your account. So make sure that you want to watch it before you press play. Even if you only watch a couple seconds of it, Kanopy will still deduct the credit from your account. So definitely just make sure it's what you want to watch before you click on it. But that is Kanopy in a nutshell. It's a super easy to use resource. You can use it on your computer or your mobile device. And it's free to use as long as you have a library card. You get up to 10 checkouts, and Kanopy Kids, as of this recording, is free and does not deduct from your credits. As always, please contact the library or comment on this post if you have any questions whatsoever, and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.